What if your car didn't just transport you, but introduced you? Imagine gliding up to the entrance, the door opening automatically and every head turning your way. That's not fantasy. That's the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a car that doesn't follow trends, it defines them. Welcome to Next Drive, and in today's video, we're exploring why the 2025 S-Class continues to be the ultimate expression of modern luxury in America. In the US market, the 2025 S-Class offers serious power under its elegant frame. The S500 comes with a 3.0-liter inline, 6 producing 442 horsepower, while the S580 features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 496 horsepower. There's even a plug-in hybrid version delivering over 500 horsepower and near-instant torque. According to Car and Driver, this luxury sedan hits 60 miles per hour in as little as 4.2 seconds. Not bad for something that feels more like a private jet than a car. But here's the question. In a world obsessed with SUVs, why spend over $100,000 on a sedan? Because the S-Class isn't just transportation, it's arrival. It's the difference between being noticed and being remembered. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that feels less like a car interior and more like a handcrafted masterpiece. The 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen, 4D surround sound system, and augmented reality head-up display are all seamlessly integrated into a quiet sanctuary of leather and light. Heated, cooled, and massaging seats front and rear, a fragrance system, and even rear seat tablets make it clear the S-Class doesn't just serve its passengers, it spoils them. As Edmunds notes, this model redefines comfort and technology. But here's the thought. When does comfort become isolation? When your car knows more about your mood than your friends do, is that luxury or surrender? From behind the wheel, the 2025 S-Class is effortless. It glides, it whispers, it listens. Yet beneath that calm exterior lies incredible complexity. The mild hybrid system, adaptive air suspension, and all-wheel drive constantly working to keep perfection alive. As Mercedes-Benz USA puts it, turbo and electric power unite to deliver over 400 horsepower in every variant, ensuring that serenity never comes at the cost of performance. Still, you have to ask, are we still driving luxury cars or have they started driving us? At a starting price of around $117,000, the S-Class isn't cheap, but you're not paying for a vehicle. You're investing in an experience. Rear legroom stretches to nearly 44 inches, creating a space where silence feels engineered. For some, that's indulgence. For others, it's therapy. As US News points out, this car remains the benchmark by which all others are judged. But in 2025, with electric luxury cars and autonomous tech on the rise, the real question is, can the S-Class still hold its crown, or has its throne become too comfortable? Because in the end, the S-Class isn't about excess, it's about emotion. It's the feeling of closing that solid door, hearing nothing but your own breath, and knowing you're surrounded by engineering brilliance. So when you next pull into your driveway, think carefully. Do you want people to see you or feel your presence? The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class makes sure they do both. This is Next Drive, and that was our look at the all-new 2025 S-Class. A car that proves luxury isn't dead, it's just more intelligent than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. If you could own one luxury sedan today, would it be the S-Class or something daring enough to challenge it?